Tesla is losing its lead over legacy automakers in the quality of its new all-electric vehicles, according to an annual influential study conducted by J.D. Power. The 2024 U.S. Initial Quality Study found that the quality of Tesla's battery electric vehicles, BEVs, and those of traditional carmakers are now on par, with both recording 266 problems per 100 newly sold or leased vehicles. This marks a significant shift from previous years when Tesla models outperformed the electric vehicles of legacy automakers in the annual survey. Last year, Tesla received a score of 257 problems per 100 vehicles, compared with 265 problems per 100 vehicles on average for EVs from traditional automakers. The study attributes Tesla's growing problems to customer dissatisfaction following the removal of traditional feature controls, such as turn signals and wiper stalks. Across the broader industry, not just BEVs, Tesla has consistently ranked toward the bottom in initial quality since J.D. Power began including Tesla in the study in 2022. Overall, the study, which included repair visit data from franchise dealers for the first time, found that electric vehicles such as BEVs and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs, have more problems than traditional gas and diesel-powered vehicles with internal combustion engines. Owners of cutting-edge, tech-filled BEVs and PHEVs are experiencing problems that are of a severity level high enough for them to take their new vehicle into the dealership at a rate 3 times higher than that of gas-powered vehicle owners, J.D. Power's Senior Director of Auto Benchmarking, Frank Hanley, said in a news release. The study found that plug-in vehicles require more repairs than gas-powered vehicles across all repair categories. BEVs averaged 266 problems per 100 vehicles, 86 points higher than gas and diesel-powered vehicles, which averaged 180 problems per 100 vehicles. A lower score indicates higher vehicle quality. Top concerns included features, controls, and displays as well as wireless smartphone integration, with customers reporting frequent difficulties with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The study also reported frustration over false warnings, unnecessary traffic alerts, and automatic braking features. Specifically, rear seat reminders contribute 1.7 problems per 100 vehicles across the industry, as owners report receiving signals even when no one is in the rear seat. It is not surprising that the introduction of new technology has challenged manufacturers to maintain vehicle quality, Hanley said. This challenge is particularly evident in the high rate of issues related to new and advanced technologies. While the push for more sophisticated and tech-laden vehicles continues, these innovations come with their own set of problems that manufacturers are still working to resolve. Hello and welcome back to EV's Queen. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. We provide the most recent and updated news about electric mobility every day. We're thrilled to introduce 3 unique membership levels on our channel: Circuit Squires, Tesla Knights, and Volt Sovereigns. Each level offers its own set of exclusive perks and content, perfectly suited for your passion for electric vehicles. As a member, you'll play a vital role in supporting our mission to deliver 12 engaging video updates daily about the latest in the electric vehicle world. Your membership not only helps sustain our efforts but also brings you closer to the heart of the EV community. The findings highlight a significant hurdle for the electric vehicle market. While advancements in technology and the push for sustainable transportation are crucial, ensuring reliability and quality remains a key concern. For Tesla, known for its pioneering role in the electric vehicle industry, these findings could signify a need to reevaluate its approach to integrating new features and maintaining traditional controls that customers still find valuable. The broader implication is clear: as the auto industry transitions to more electric and hybrid vehicles, maintaining high quality and reliability will be essential to gaining consumer trust and satisfaction. The results from J.D. Power's study serve as a critical benchmark for all automakers striving to balance innovation with quality. Thanks for watching.